Welcome. If you're looking to share your Roblox experience activity updates with friends and followers right from your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to enable this feature on Roblox Web, thanks to the new update. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to the official Roblox website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the necessary settings. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon. That's your gateway to all your account settings. Click on the gear icon and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now that you're inside the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Privacy and Content Restrictions. This is where Roblox lets you control who can see your activity and how your content is shared. Next, scroll down until you find the option called Visibility and Private Servers. Click on Visibility to open up more sharing options. Here you'll see a variety of settings that let you manage your privacy and how your activity appears to others. To share your experience activity updates, simply look for the toggle or switch labeled Share Activity Updates. Click to enable it. When this is turned on, Roblox will automatically share updates about your in-game experiences with your friends or followers, depending on your privacy settings. That's it. You've now enabled sharing for your experience activity updates on Roblox Web. This new update makes it easier than ever to keep your friends in the loop about what games you're playing, what you're building, or any new achievements you unlock. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just follow the same steps and toggle share activity updates back off. It's all about giving you control over your Roblox experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and updates. See you in the next video.